When will you do another movie with Shah Rukh and Deepika?
Shah Rukh and Deepika. As I told you that definitely we will be doing Singham 3 also. It's a very big brand. It's a great character.
Angur with SRK, when is it happening?
Angur is still there with us. We need a great script for that. People do a mimicry of Amit Ji. Hi, he's not done it for last 30 years. Try to stammer like Shah Rukh Khan, which he's not done for 25 years. Hi, this is Rohit Shetty and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
This is Brijendra Mishra from Mumbai. अक्षय कुमार के साथ उनकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म है की न्यूज़ आ रही है. इज इट राइट? बिकॉज आई एम बिगेस्ट फैन ऑफ अकी सर.
We're still working on it. Nothing is finalized. We started the discussion and the news came out. But I never deny if something is happening, you know. So we are still working on it. Nothing is finalized.
Considering both of you guys, you have this entire understanding of action so well.
Yeah.
It can be.
Yeah, we're still working on it. Still working on it.
Even personality types, I think, are very similar.
Yeah.
Akshay sir is very wonderful to work with, I'm sure. This is Prerna from Austin, USA. When will you do another movie with Shah Rukh and Deepika?
Shah Rukh and Deepika. As I told you that the day we get a good script, we will see that we do something together. But we need a great script for that.
Okay, this is Nazia from Mangalore. When are you getting my Ajay Devgan sir back with Singham 3? It's been a really long wait now. People are dying to watch your combo rock on screen.
There is I won't say like Nazia, you will be like totally satisfied, but yeah, Singham does come in Simba in the end, and the way he comes is like quite satisfying. And definitely we will be doing Singham 3 also. It's a very big brand. It's a great character, and it's just that we need the right story, what we are waiting for, and the day we get it, we'll definitely do that.
This is Asma from CA. What's the best thing about Ranveer as an actor? Much love for both of you.
I think the honesty he has and the kind of dedication and hard work he puts in a character, what he's doing. Or like, I've never seen him out of all these 90 days what I shot with him, a day when he's coming tired. He always comes with a smile and with a walk which is like, you know, like he's here to prove, he's here after giving so many great characters and being what he is today and giving so many hits. Now, that still has that energy to prove that what makes him what he is today.
This is Magic Mohini. I don't know, the name is not there. When are you writing a great part for Deepika after Meenamma? You know she is unexplored in a comedy.
I've not thought about it. See what happens, you know, just with me, like a story just comes across, or you see something and you feel like, okay, you can do this with Deepika. But definitely, I would like to work with her again. We really created
that Thangavali scene, I think, you know, it is hilarious.
Yeah.
Each time you watch it, it's hilarious what she did. All right, this is name Prapul from Hyderabad. Does Rohit Shetty ji has made any changes to Simba compared to the original temper?
I think 90%.
90%.
90%. It's just that we could have made the film, but I thought okay, it won't be right ethically. If you see Singham also for that matter, that whole Sonali Kulkarni's character is not there. The climax is not the same. The whole approach is not the same. The love story is not the same. Same goes with Simba. When you see the film, if somebody has seen Temper and then he watches Simba, it's like two different films. It's just that the character and 4 scenes were the same, which I liked it. So we went and approached them and we said, okay, because of these 4 scenes on the character, I would like to take the rights and give you all the credit. Okay. So it's like 90% different.
This is Ashir from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Hello sir, I'm a big fan of your film. I want to see you directing Hrithik sir in a movie. I think it will be a matchless combination. When this is going to happen?
Oh, it all depends on the kind of script you get, you know. Till the time you don't get the right script and you feel, yeah, you can work with this particular actor. It all depends on when the story or the idea comes, you know, or the script comes in your way.
Manab Mukherjee from Kolkata. Hi Rohit Shetty sir. My question is, as per trailer, we came to see Simba and Singham together. So can we expect a full-length, high-octane action movie with these powerful characters together in future?
The whole idea is such that if everything works, if people, the way they have loved Singham, they love Simba also. In future, we might have something like this. We are not planning it, but I won't lie that it's not that this is what not we had thought of. Right. Definitely, that's why Singham comes in this universe.
Coming together. This is Ashutosh Bajaj. He was going to remake Angur with SRK. When is it happening?
Angur is still there with us. We always try to remove that script and work on it again. But the simplicity scares me. I can't make it into a Rohit Shetty cinema. Once we tried to do that in the scripting, and it was losing its essence. So that has to be simple and straight. Then only it works. So every time I remove and then I feel it's too simple for me. It's very sweet like a film, And when I try to make it bigger, the whole essence is going off that film,
Right.
So I don't know when it will happen. Let's see.
This is Vishnu Patil. So this is the last question. Without fighting and without car blowing, can we wait for a romantic blockbuster with Ajay sir?
Cars have not been blown for the last 2 years. It's just that, how people do a mimicry of Amit Ji. Hi, he's not done it for last 30 years. Or they try to stammer like Shah Rukh Khan, which he's not done for 25 years. So same thing if you looking at my work for the last 2 films, there are no cars being blown. But still people say cars are being blown. So I think, first of all, the cars are not being blown for the last 2 years in any of my films. Secondly, romantic film, if I get a script and I feel like making it, I will definitely do it.
Right. Rohit, lovely talking to you as always, and looking forward to the film. And I really like your confidence because I've interviewed you for so many years, but what you're saying that this is you are personally very confident about the film, so the audience must take you at your face value because you are brutally honest about everything that you do. So thank you for your time and all the best wishes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Rohit Shetty and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.